100-pound yellow right there. Holy cow! Holy cow! I'm coming back down.
Harpo, watch your head.
Oh my god, 100-pound yellow.
100-pound
You want to record?
yellow.
I'm making a gaff.
Yep. Watch your head, watch your head. Keith on the 100-pounder, 90-pounder at least.
At least. I said it was a big yellow. Did you take it off?
Got all sorts of people tangled. All sorts of people fucked.
Yeah, it's up there, man. That's pretty big, and I see the signal that, oh, you can fall back down there. Hey, Keith, if we're getting tired, pass him off. You don't want to lose the fish right here. You're about to do it.
Bring it up. There you go. Use that rail to help you. Hold it out, hold it out.
It's triple digit.
Good, it looks like it. Yeah, that's a 100-pounder, kid.
Go up on the top deck. Get up in the rain. That's where Max and your line out right now.
Hold it out, hold it out. When he's under the boat, you gotta hold it out. You have to stick that rod tip up when he's going under the boat. Stick it up.
Give me like 10 feet and I'll get a deep shot.
All right, you gotta get more. Get more.
Holy shit.
Nice gap! Yeah!
Slightly beating.
It's the heart of yellowfin.
This fucker was eating chunk. Eating chunks. It's a little small. It's the size of my foot.